Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kandai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these flip-flops. So what I went ahead to do was to make strips. I have demonstrated how to cut the strips. It's 1.5 inches or 1 inch, depending on how thick you want them to be. I've done this in my previous videos and I'll show you how to cover flip-flops. So here I'm just going to be wrapping this cloth around the flip-flops. I will leave a link to a video where it was clearer, where I've done this and demonstrated it properly. Here I didn't realize that my camera most of the time was not on hold, so my apologies for that. So I'm just going to be wrapping this right round. Yeah. So now that I'm done covering the flip-flops, what I'm going to do is to try and make my bow. So what I'm going to do is to fold my fabric into two and then cut out 6.5 inches. This is optional. You can make it roughly 5 inches if you want. I made it 8.5, sorry. So it's going to be very big if you cut it out and sew it this way. However, I'm going to go ahead and stitch it. And now what I'm going to do is to stitch my strands, which I'm going to be using to make my strips, which I'm going to be using to make the bow. So what I'm going to do is to fold 5 millimeters on each side. So I'm going to fold one side and then fold the other side 5 millimeters. This is just to create that, neatness, that neat finish. So this, I'm just going to go ahead with my glue and just apply it there. Just to get it to stick together. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead to just press that down. So those are the strips that I'm going to be using to hold the board together. So here I'm done with the bows. I'm done sewing them. I did them on permission, so I did leave an opening. So it was just a stitch and then leave an opening. So now I'm turning them inside out, right? So after that, you just go ahead to press this. So I'm really trying to make sure that the corners do come out. So I'm going to do that on both of the bows because I'm making two bows. So yeah, once you're done, just go ahead to press. So after pressing, I'm just going to glue the opening together just to close down the seam and in a neat way. So you can, if you don't have the fabric, the glue that I'm using is fabric glue. So if you don't have this glue, you can just sew it together. So now that I'm done, I'm going to start creating the bow by gluing that strip that we made previously and just gluing it onto the bow.
Somebody just give the Lord a hand of praise.
So now this is how the bows look like. So once you're done with the bows, I'm going to go ahead and get my flip-flops and then glue them onto the bows. So yes guys, this is the final product. This is how they look like. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please do leave a like and a comment section down below. So I'm done with my exams. I'm not going to be doing a lot of this DIY videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also leave a comment down below if you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys and may the good Lord bless you.